Today, Howard is showing us a new and interesting way to cook up some zucchini in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Ah, zucchini. It may seem just like any other vegetable, but there's so much more to it. First of all, zucchini is probably the easiest vegetable for us to grow in our gardens. Now, for those of us who grow them, we know that before long we'll be inundated with them and we'll find ourselves sharing them with our neighbors and bringing them to the office. And with them being so abundant, it's a darn good thing that they're so good for us. You know, 1 cup of zucchini has only 25 calories and is packed with more potassium than this banana. So let me share a way to turn these into a mouth-watering side dish. We start by sauteing some cut-up tomatoes in a bit of olive oil, along with a touch of minced garlic, fresh chopped parsley, and lots of spices. Once it cooks down, we stir in some zucchini that we've chunked up. And when it's tender, it's ready to serve as a healthy as can be side dish. No matter how you serve it, we know you'll be scraping the bowl so you don't miss a drop. To get the recipe for our all-star zucchini, all you have to do is go online before all that zucchini takes over your house. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh from the garden way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at